ready for the 103rd Progressive Laconia Motorcycle Week. The world's oldest motorcycle rally returns to New Hampshire June 13th to the 21st, 2026. 9 jam-packed days of rides, races, hill climbs, gypsy tours, vendors, and entertainment. Getting here is half the fun. Hundreds of miles of coastline, back roads, covered bridges, and mountain roads to explore. And when you do get here, we'll keep you entertained from sunrise to sunset in Weirs Beach and beyond. Find out why riders come from all over the world to attend Laconia. This June, be a part of history and let's take the state by storm.